together to celebrate the next big milestone of our journey. This moment right here, the moment we are currently living in, is part of the biggest and most ambitious transformation of our resort since 1992. Tonight, this journey continues with the grand opening of the Disneyland Hotel, a one-of-a-kind five-star property honoring beloved Disney royalty and one of the most immersive hotels in Europe today. We've been hard at work these past years to reimagine what this iconic landmark could look and feel like after having created already so many unforgettable memories for millions of guests before. We rebuilt everything from the inside out, and today we are so proud to share with you this unique experience combining an unprecedented level of immersive storytelling and world-class hospitality, thanks to the dedication of our wonderful cast members and Imagineers. At Disney, stories have always been at the heart of what we do, creating emotions and sparking to life the imaginations of all generations. Building on our incredible centennial legacy, Disneyland Hotel celebrates our timeless royal stories and characters by taking guests, and especially our youngest royalty, on a regal journey from the moment they step inside. As we set out to further raise the bar, we not only leaned into our expertise in hospitality to offer a wide range of personalized services, but we also put a strong emphasis on attention to detail. Our friends from Walt Disney Imagineering and our operational teams partnered with best-in-class craftsmen and more than 200 suppliers across France and Europe that relied on their know-how to help create a royal atmosphere that is both welcoming and caring. And now, as we invite you to write your own story right here with us, I would like to ask our Disneyland Paris ambassadors, Jose and Dylan, to join me on stage and launch the official countdown.
Thank you, Natasha. We are so excited to be here representing all Disneyland Paris cast members, ready to welcome guests of all ages and from all around the world.
Tout à fait, et nous sommes vraiment très fiers de pouvoir représenter tous les cast members du Disneyland Hotel qui nous font rêver avec un accueil royal. Maintenant, Natasha, José, vous êtes prêts pour le décompte? So now, are you ready for the countdown?
I say let's work our magic. Are you ready?
Yes.
3, 2,
1.
I declare the reimagined Disneyland Hotel officially open.
Le Disneyland Hotel est officiellement ouvert!
Bonsoir les amis. Je suis tellement heureuse d'être avec vous ce soir. Il est l'heure de commencer la célébration et j'ai la formule magique qu'il nous faut. Bibidi, bobidi. Croyez toujours en vos rêves, la magie est en vous.
What strange sorcery is this? No matter, I'll put everything back in order. Alaka fez, Malika says, Malika mesmeric, Jiggity, spiggity, smiggity, mum, rest-biggity, tell me out. Oh, that wasn't expected. I need a little more help.
Oh, mes chers amis, mais que s'est-il passé? Ne vous inquiétez pas, il faut garder courage et espoir. Je vais réparer cela. Oh, mais où ai-je mis ma baguette magique? Oh, la voilà. Bibidi, babidi, oh, c'est très gênant. Mes chers amis, je vais avoir besoin de votre aide. Vous connaissez la formule magique? Bibidi, babidi, bou. Alors avec moi. 1, 2, 3. Bibidi, babidi, bou.
Pour votre participation ce soir, chers amis, passez une très bonne soirée à Disneyland Paris. Thank you for your participation tonight. Dear friends, have a wonderful evening at Disneyland Paris.
Thank you for watching. Please consider to support us with a super thanks if you like what we do. This is greatly appreciated and allows us to continue making video for your future enjoyment.